Hi, it's nice to see you.
Oh, hello. I don't think we've actually met.
Oh, right. I'm Cynthia. I had a feeling you'd be over in this corner.
Why? Because this is where the peanuts are? That's a bit of a stereotype.
And yet, here you are.
Yes, indeed, this is where I am. I'm Stanley, by the way. I love what you've done with your hair.
Thank you. I don't normally like to fuss with it too much, but I wanted to make an effort tonight. You don't think it's too much?
I think that it is just enough.
Thank you. I hope I'm not being too personal, but your tusks are magnificent.
Thanks. One of the pluses of being an elephant is that we're actually allowed to wear ivory.
I see what you did there.
I'm glad. A lot of people find my jokes a little irrelevant. So what do you do for a living, Cynthia?
I'm a hand model. I assume you work in travel?
Excuse me?
Because you're packing a trunk?
Actually, just about anyone can pack a trunk. The real skill is being able to pack a derm.
So we're doing this.
It would seem so.
Good. Only I need to go into the kitchen and see if you've been in the refrigerator.
And how will you be able to tell that?
Footprints in the butter?
I see. At least you'll be able to tell if I'm in the fridge now.
How will I be able to know that?
If I am, the door won't shut.
I'm glad to see you're not on the fence about that.
I'm pleased that you noticed my ivory. I was living in Alabama, but I had to move away for dental reasons.
Where exactly were you living?
Tuscaloosa.
Of course you were. Would you like another drink?
Please, and more peanuts if they have any. This is a cocktail that I'm calling Pink Elephant in the room. And the main star player is some rum that I infused with banana and peanut butter. Now you can buy banana flavored rum or peanut butter flavored rum or spirits that have been infused with banana and peanut butter. In this case, we're going to start by chilling a glass properly, which, of course, involves adding ice. And that's pretty... Oh, really? Okay, yep. And we'll set that aside. And we'll donate the rest of the ice to the cocktail shaker. And, okay, so pop. And we're going to add 2 ounces of our banana peanut butter rum. Yes. And something super fruity to go with that. We're going to go with 2 ounces of passion fruit cocktail. Now, you've walked by this 1,000 times in the grocery store and not actually seen it. It's in the juice aisle. And it's actually seriously delicious. Okay. And we'll set that aside. And let's go with 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And here we go. Oh, yeah. Yep. And that will add a sharpness to this to balance out the sweetness and the floral. And yeah, right side up is probably the way to go there. And you can't be too careful about scurvy. So, okay. And the last ingredient is pomegranate syrup, which is called grenadine. And that's going to go in there last. And let's put the cap back on just in case. And yep, seal that. And of course, shake it. Maybe not enthusiastically, but diligently. And we're going to shake that until, if it's a humid summer day, we should get a nice line of frost, of condensation across the cocktail shaker. Yeah, get rid of the ice. And let's strain that out. Oh, that's very pretty. Okay. And look at that. Perfectly fits a martini glass. Now remember, we're using martini glass because you can hold it by the stem and keep it cold. And it smells a lot like peanut butter. And it tastes, oh yeah, the fruitiness is exactly in proportion to the peanut butter. And then there's just this subtle aftertaste of the banana. And this might sound like a junk drawer full of ingredients, but sometimes you need to fill the junk drawer in your soul. And this is what will do that on a hot summer day. And so, oh yeah. Happy August.